Hi guys, welcome to Eat East Indian, and today we are making a nacho platter at home. It's Friday night and nothing better than a nacho platter. This is something really delicious and easy. You can even make it for mom for Mother's Day brunch or Mother's Day snack. All right, so we have the bottom layer of chips, then we loaded some beans, onions, green peppers. Now tomatoes can go fresh on the top, which we are going to do, but we also have some tomatoes in our nachos right now, and then we added another layer and some more cheese. Cheese was at the bottom at the first layer, and we have it at the second layer. We are going to bake until cheese melts. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle some taco seasoning on the top as well. And once it's done on the top, fresh tomatoes can go too. A really simple, a quick snack if you're craving something. And I used here these multi-grain Tostitos. You can enjoy once your platter is ready with some salsa, with some guacamole, with sour cream. That's your choice. All right, how is this looking, guys? Leave me a comment, let me know. I'm gonna be back in about a minute or two once I add in some more cheese and put it in the oven. That nachos are not nachos without cheese, right? So I've added some more cheese. And while my cheese is melting in the oven, I'm going to cut some fresh tomatoes. You can add more onions if you like, some olives, whatever you have in your pantry and whatever you fancy. Some pickles maybe, some jalapenos maybe. Kids are going to eat, so I'm not going to add too much of fancy stuff. Oven is preheating. Once it's done, I'm going to pop this in. All right, folks, things are looking beautiful here. I am going to add in maybe a little bit of taco seasoning on top. You can sprinkle some more fresh tomatoes on top if you fancy. You can tell that I really like tomatoes, right? And so does my daughter. And I sprinkle those on top, and things are coming along beautifully. If you like a little bit of heat and you don't have green chilies, red chili flakes. Oh yes. Kids are hovering around and they're looking as if I'm going to kill them with these red chili flakes. But I've only added them on half the layer, so I hope they'll forgive me. All right, I'm going to dig in. I hope you like this video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, share it with your nacho fans, and I will see you again soon. So keep watching and do subscribe.